Welcome to this CNC training class. Friends, let me explain one more CAN cycle for this CNC turning center. See, that is G72. This is a facing stock removal cycle. See, already you know about G71. So that is stock removal cycle, that is also stock removal cycle. See, this is the raw material. Out of this raw material I want this shape. Okay, so for removing this excess material, so in G72 in CNC we will use this G72 stock removal cycle. So for removing the extra material from the outer diameter or inner diameter of the workpiece. Okay, so in the same way, if we want to remove the extra material from the face of the work, from the face, then we will go for this G72 cycle. So this is facing stock removal cycle. See, the format for this cycle is this one, G72 W R and G72 contour starting point, contour end point. Okay, and then finishing allowance in x-axis, finishing allowance in z-axis, and then feed rate. So this is the programming format for this cycle. Okay, so what is the meaning of this W, R, P, Q and this one? Okay, see, this W is for depth of cut, in z-axis. Okay, so this W is for giving depth of cut in z-axis, and then R is a retract value, and then this P is contour starting point, contour starting block number. Okay, that Q is contour end block number. Okay, so this U is finishing allowance in x-axis and W is finishing allowance in z-axis, and this F is for feed. Okay, feed may be in mm per revolution or mm per minute. So this is the format. By using this format, we have to write the program for removing this extra material from the face of the workpiece. Okay, see, now I will write the program for this facing stock removal cycle. Okay, so as usual, we have to assign one number for this program, that is O184. This is program name. Okay, so name of the program. So N5 is G00, G30, U0 and W0 for sending the O, and 10. So M06, and this one is the tool number, offset number, and then N15. N15 is rotating the workpiece, RPM, and then we have to position the workpiece. N20, G00, X34, Z0 end of block, and then N25, G72, W1 and then R1 end of block. So then, so G72, P contour starting number, Q and then U and W. Up feed I will give 1 mm. So then N35, Z minus 5 mm. So here it should be G01 and 1 mm, and then N40, X0, right. Then N45, G00, G30, U0, W0 end of block, and then N50, M30. See, this is the program for facing stock removal. See here, this is the name of program. You already know about this, and this is for homing the cutting tool, and this is for changing the cutting tool, required cutting tool here. So I am using tool number 2 for facing operation, and we have to rotate the workpiece at the required RPM by inputting these values, and this is the rapid positioning. That means now the tool is at its home position. Okay, its reference point. We have to move the tool rapidly to here. Okay, this is diameter of the workpiece. So that is x34, right? And to the face of the workpiece. This is rapid positioning, and this is the format. So where G72 W1 means depth of cut along z-axis. Depth of cut along z-axis. That means what? See now the tool at this block number, the tool is here. Okay. So when it reads these values, the tool will move 1 mm towards this, that is z minus 1 mm. Okay. So this is depth of cut. Okay. Now the tool is here. When the controller reads x0, so by G01 it will take the depth of cut by reading this value, and the cutting tool will move by facing to the 0, towards the 0. Okay, and then the cutting tool will move like this, and it will come to this position. Again it will advance 1 mm, and then it will come to here x0, and the tool will move like this. Again tool will move here, and it will take 1 mm depth of cut again, and it will come to this position to here. Again it will finally finish the stock, and it will come back, and it will go to its home position. See, this is the way, this is the path taken by our cutting tool for doing the facing operation. See, like this. See, this is the workpiece, this is the extra stock we have to remove. Now the 0 0 is here. Okay, so when the tool is at this position, now the tool will move 1 mm on the face of the workpiece. So it will remove 1 mm material, and it will come like this. Again it will move here. Again it will take the depth of cut in the second pass. Again it will move. It will go here. Again it will take the depth of cut. Like this the tool will move. Okay. So like this. Take depth of cut and go, and again take the depth of cut, and it will go like this. So this is the procedure for removing the extra material from the face of the workpiece. Okay. So after completion of this facing operation, the tool will go to its home position. So this is for program end and rewind. Okay. So this is the theory. Now I will show the practically how this facing operation will take place also. Okay. Friends, let me show the facing operation in CNC turning center. Already I explained about this program. See, this is the program. Already you know the meaning of these codes also. So homing, tool changing, workpiece rotating, rapid positioning. So and this is depth of cut along z-axis, retract and profile starting point, and this one is end point. Finishing I have given 0. There is no finishing allowances for this. Speed is 1 mm per revolution, and this is 5 mm stock we have to remove on the face of the workpiece. This is so the starting point facing, and this one the end point, and homing and program end and rewind. So let us see how this will work automatically. So now it is homing and tool changing. So rapid positioning on the face of the workpiece. Now see, facing tool will move from periphery to center of the workpiece. And retract. Again, it is taking depth of cut, spacing. Again, depth of cut, spacing. So one more depth of cut it will take now according to our program. Spacing. So this is the program and how the facing operation will takes place in stock removal cycle. Thank you.